Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a relaxed walk through Gwangjang Market, one of Seoul's most iconic and historic marketplaces. This place is always full of energy, bright lights, busy alleys, the smell of food everywhere, and a mix of locals and visitors exploring all sorts of things. No matter when you visit, there's always something happening here. As we make our way through the market, you'll notice the incredible variety of foods being cooked all around. Gwangjang is especially famous for its street food, and you'll find stalls offering everything from small rice rolls and crispy pancakes to noodles, dumplings, and plenty of traditional Korean snacks. The best part is simply wandering and seeing what catches your eye. Every stall has its own personality and longtime regulars. Moving further along, you'll also discover areas that go beyond food. Parts of the market are filled with fabric shops, traditional clothing, bedding, and even vintage clothing. Some vendors have been here for generations, and the mix of old and new gives the market a unique character you won't find anywhere else. What makes Gwangjang Market special is the atmosphere. It's loud in the best way, people chatting, pots sizzling, vendors greeting customers, and the constant movement of the crowd. It's the kind of place where you can spend a few minutes or a few hours, just taking in the sights, sounds, and smells. Whether you're here to eat, shop, or simply look around, this market gives you a really authentic slice of Seoul's everyday life. There's no right or wrong way to explore it, just follow whatever grabs your attention. Thanks for joining me on this walk. Sit back and enjoy the tour. If you enjoyed the tour, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more, and let me know where you'd like me to explore next. See you in the next one.